7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
If she want to say hi to me, she can. I speak.
Y'all went out.
Yes, y'all. So we are on our way. I had to fix my hair because I'm tired of that bun that I put in my head this morning. And my outfit, how much is my outfit worth? This actual outfit is like $8. It was $8. This right here is $8.
Go ahead, open it.
My
What are you
bag
waiting for?
and my shoes. About 50. I'm the Jamaican. Alright, we outside in that villa right now. Oh my, look at that walking across. Meow. Is that you?
Don't do that.
She said don't do that. No, that's a cat. Meow.
Oh, no.
Meow.
You do that for me, but you take this in like, bitch. These motherfuckers come out and get me. What you want me doing? You want me?
Oh yeah, cause I'ma just watch him get eaten. Cause I'm not going down there. Cause if he eats you, that mean he'll give a fuck about you. That mean he'll give a fuck about me either.
Okay, we going live. One more time again.
Oh, he's a cat. How is it a cat in a Pocono? I'm just
I'm trying to
confused.
get my video together.
Cause you know it's supposed to be just wildlife out here.
I'm just gonna have to sit it down.
A whole cat. A whole cat in a Pocono.
I'm done with her.
What shelter did he escape from?
He got dropped off.
Oh, honey, I can't.
The ones I hear.
Oh, happy birthday, happy birthday. This feel like the Black People Independence Day. We not slaves no more.
Mother.
I'm not holding that.
Ma.
Hold it.
Oh,
No,
honey.
go ahead, just hold it.
Y'all
That's all
see
you
me
do
over
is
here
just
like,
hold
Ma,
it.
oh, honey.
You got it.
Yeah, I got it.
I hold that.
Oh, I think it's just literally a sword. Like, and it just shoots out fire. How much was that?
I just wonder if you was supposed to take that box off.
That's a really like a I am king kind of thing.
So I say hello to the camera. Hey yo. Hello. Say you too. Hi. Hey Grandma, let me tell you this. You know the zip lines, right? What's that? What Zaza did, she got on the zip line, no problem. Wrote it down, but when she got down to the bottom, she knocked this man inside his head.
Oh yeah, I knocked that man down. He thought he was gonna handle this big woman. He thought he was gonna handle me, but I knocked him straight on down, right onto his thighs, girl. His knee, he was stretched out on the damn the wood.
Nah, with mine.
I know he was like, that bitch is over the limit. She is way over the limit. I can't laugh at her.
I'm gonna tell her everything too. Yeah, once
If you see something, just holler.
That shit, right? Where's that? You gotta go out that bed, your bedroom. You know what I don't like about this is that it should have been a bathroom on this floor.
Yeah.
Especially for you when you upstairs and right here in the
Like,
living room.
damn, you gotta come down to the upstairs, downstairs, then to the next floor, then to the floor underneath that.
Don't have the shit.
You literally
Don't
gotta
have
go
the
to
shit.
the basement.
Don't have
It's
the
like
yes.
it's like a 3-4 floor. Jesus, it's like a 4-floor house. The basement, the first floor, the second floor, which is the main floor, and then the third floor, which is the attic.
Yeah.
It's like you gotta go from all the way from the attic to the basement to go to the bathroom.
And then what if you got company?
What about tonight?
No, hold
I
on.
might roll down the fucking stairs and pee on myself.
No. What if you like? It's like if you wanted to, if I wanted to buy here and live here, then I had company. Zair company got to come in my bedroom just to use the bathroom.
Y'all, the camera about to die, but oh no, bitch,
Your
ain't no
bathroom
dragonfly around here, ho.
mother, right here, bro.
That's no dragonfly. What the fuck
She's
she
trying.
talking about?
You both drunk.
I said, what is that? She said it's also.
Alright, I'll see you later. I gotta go deal with these drunk people. This Bacardi is so damn disgusting, but I'ma still drink it anyway because I just like rum, period. I'm more of a Jack Daniels kind of girl. What a Jack Daniels whiskey.
And he got a bottle of fucking Court Bell for Virginia. I want him a bottle of Court Bell. Fucking champagne. I paid $16 for that bottle. Not yet. I was gonna pop it open tonight, but I'm fucking tired. I done been drinking. I told you we went to that motherfucker for Virginia. We done came back. We done came back with 26 fucking goddamn mussels, 26 fucking clams. The lady, the bitch had a good time on me and Zair ass. Boy, Zair back at his pile for his birthday. Zair done went to the supermarket, so they got milk for in the morning. And he gotta have him a bowl of cereal, but we going to breakfast in the morning to finish off his birthday. The breakfast is from 9 to 12. It's a buffet.
I just fell, girl.
I heard. I tell you, we had a good damn time for jamming.
What's this? Girl, that was fun. That was fun.
Right?
It was really fun. I got my Stella Rose in the refrigerator.
Yeah, go get that. Honey, we met some black people down here in Virginia, and we was getting in there laughing. And then I said, this is the shit that Virginia will fucking enjoy. We was the music, they were playing the Caribbean music for Virginia. Then he started playing some old school club music. Then he started playing some oldies for goodies.
How does this taste? You ever tasted Stella Rose?
It tastes good. I had one.
I'm gonna throw that out the window.
You gonna throw one out the window?
Oh, this is drunk. I mean, this is drunk. This is good.
I told you that's good. I got it from the
You're
place.
drunk.
It was like $1.99. You know I'm $1.99. You know I'm always trying
you know,
new
I
shit.
can't afford Stella Rose.